Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode has this cool amazing part right here in my hand, and basically what this is a floating hand grip that you can use for your action camera. If you guys can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you can see that is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it. And then right here we have the actual product, if you can see right here. So this part, the way how they design it is supposed to be floatable. So once you guys roll into the water or if you guys go swimming or something, it should float up. And then right here is basically for this part here to screw in the product. And right here they do provide guys a strap that you can put onto your wrist. And that is basically everything that's provided for you guys inside the package. Let me actually set it up to show you guys how to set it up and how to use it first. So you basically just want to put it inside right here like this. And then once you guys put it in, you guys want to use the screw option to screw it in. Alright. So once you guys have it all set up, this is basically how you guys use it. So for the wrist strap option right here, you guys can actually tighten it or loosen it based on your own preference. So if I want to tighten up, this is how I do it. I just want to pull this part down like this and then adjust it how I want to. And I can pull it back up just like that. If I want to keep it right there, then it's all set and it should be secured. And I can start vlogging if I want to like this. And for this part here, it is adjustable, so you just have to loosen it up like this. Once you guys loosen it up, you guys move it up this way or down this way, however you guys want to. You guys can definitely do that on your own preference. But let's just say I want to keep it right here. And once you guys are done setting up, this is how you guys use the product. When you guys feel the material on the actual grip, it actually feels pretty nice. It definitely has a very good grip to it. And like I mentioned, for the product, it's supposed to float up. So once you guys throw this into like a tub of water, or if you guys put this in the ocean, it should float up. Now let me just bring this over to the restroom or somewhere and actually put some water into a tub and try it out to see when it actually floats back up. Alright, so right here we have the device, and right here we have a tub of water. So we throw it in, let's see if it floats up. Alright, so I'm pushing it down right now. If I let go, you can see that floats back up. So obviously right now the tub is not deep enough, so I'll probably add a little bit more water to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. Alright, so I added some more water on here. Let's try again. Alright, so you can see that when we add more water on here, it is still floating. So I push it down. If I let go, it comes back up, so it actually does float. I can't put it more deeper because this tub is not deep enough, but you definitely see from the actual test itself, it actually does float. So you don't have to worry about the product drowning. If you see right here, it does float back up. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the actual product itself. You can definitely see it actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to use if you can see from the test. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are planning to do any like water sports like swimming, diving, snorkeling or whatever, then definitely getting one of these are super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.